Anyone with a persistent cough or temperature is being advised to self-isolate for 7 days as part of efforts to combat the coronavirus outbreak. Britons experiencing symptoms are also being told to stay at least 2 meters, about 3 steps, away from other people while at home and to sleep alone, if possible. Confirming the UK has moved to the delay phase in its coronavirus action plan, Boris Johnson described the emergency as the worst public health crisis for a generation and warned that many more families would lose loved ones. The Prime Minister, who was addressing journalists after a Cobra meeting, also said the actual number of cases was much higher than the figure which had been officially confirmed. The case total rose by more than 100 on Thursday, up from 456 on Wednesday. There are 491 cases in England, 60 in Scotland, 20 in Northern Ireland and 25 in Wales, with 10 deaths. But the UK government's chief scientific advisor, Sir Patrick Vallance, has said the actual number of people infected in the UK could be between 5,000 and 10,000. Mr. Johnson said, "Some people compare it to seasonal flu, alas that is not right. Owing to the lack of immunity, this disease is more dangerous. It is going to spread further and I must level with you, I must level with the British public. Many more families are going to lose loved ones before their time." The delay phase aims to lower the peak impact of the virus. Delaying could also mean time for the testing of drugs and development of vaccines. The key points in the UK government's latest advice, as reported by The Guardian, are: A. If you have symptoms of coronavirus infection, COVID-19, however mild, stay at home and do not leave your house for 7 days from when your symptoms started. See Ending Isolation section below for more information. B. This action will help protect others in your community whilst you are infectious. C. Plan ahead and ask others for help to ensure that you can successfully stay at home. D. Ask your employer, friends and family to help you to get the things you need to stay at home. E. Stay at least 2 meters, about 3 steps, away from other people in your home whenever possible. E. Sleep alone, if that is possible. F. Wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds, each time using soap and water. G. Stay away from vulnerable individuals such as the elderly and those with underlying health conditions as much as possible. H. You do not need to call NHS 111 to go into self-isolation. If your symptoms worsen during home isolation or are no better after 7 days, contact NHS 111 online. If you have no internet access, you should call NHS 111. For a medical emergency, dial 999. For more on this story, visit the news article link.